make sure you share this video. Now on this particular video, the pro-Fubara lawmakers in Rivers State have actually pledged support. The lawmakers in Rivers State lawmakers, they have actually pledged support and said this election must hold tomorrow, being 5th October. Now we are going to upload a second video where the pro-Wike lawmakers are saying the election will not hold. Just watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to CASAT TV on Facebook and YouTube. Share this video again. Drop a comment and let us know what you think about this video. Thank you.
Before me is a letter from His Excellency the Executive Governor of Rivers State, and I'll read. The Office of the Governor, Government House, Port Harcourt. Right Honorable Victor Oko-Ojumbo, Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, Port Harcourt. Dear Mr. Speaker, request for consideration and approval of medium-term expenditure framework 2025 to 2027. It is my pleasure to forward the medium-term expenditure framework 2025 to 2027 for the consideration and approval of the Rivers State House of Assembly in terms of the Rivers State Fiscal Responsibility Law number 8 of 2010. The document contains the Economic and Fiscal Update, EFU, the Fiscal Strategy Paper, FSP, and the Budget Policy Statement of the Rivers State Government for the period of 2025 to 2027. As customary, the 2025 Rivers State Government budget is anchored on the economic outlook, predictions, and assumptions on the nation's oil production rate and price benchmark, exchange rates, and the state's fiscal policy direction as detailed in the medium-term expenditure framework, which is here attached. Thank you for the kind consideration of my request by the House, and please accept, Mr. Speaker, the assurances of my highest regard. Signed, Sir Siminala Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, Governor of Rivers State. Distinguished honorable members, by way of announcement, I would like to, on behalf of the Rivers State House of Assembly, make an announcement to inform the general public. The Nigerian state is one based on principles set out in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Consequently, by virtue of Section 13 of the 1999 Constitution, it is the fundamental obligation of government, which includes government bodies, its officials, and individuals in governance, to respect and implement the principles enshrined in the Constitution. On the 11th day of July 2024, the Supreme Court in suit number XC/CV/343/2024 delivered a landmark judgment affirming the financial autonomy of Nigeria's 774 local government councils. In that judgment, the Apex Court mandated that at all times there must be a democratically elected local government council in place, mandating all 36 states to comply. Furthermore, Justice IPC Igwe, on the 4th day of September 2024, in suit number PHC/2696/CS/2024, made an order, 1, mandating the Rivers State government and the executive governor of Rivers State, whose constitutional duties as enshrined in Section 7(1) of the 1999 Constitution and in line with the Supreme Court's judgment on the 11th day of July 2024, to ensure and make adequate provision for the conduct of election into the local government councils of Rivers State. 2, mandating the Rivers State Electoral Commission, RISEC, to utilize in their custody the National Register of Voters for the year 2023 general elections as compiled by the Independent Electoral Commission, INEC. 3, mandating the Nigerian Police Force, the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, the Nigerian Army, and any other security agencies to provide adequate security and ensure maintenance of peace, law, and order during and after the elections on the 5th day of October 2024. However, it is worthy of note that the Rivers State government, which is deeply rooted in the adherence of the rule of law as enshrined in the Constitution, has kickstarted all mandatory processes towards the local government elections slated for the 5th day of October 2024. In view of the above, and as upholders of the rule of law, the 10th River State House of Assembly aligns itself in totality with the rule of law and judgments of both the Apex Court and the most recent order given by Justice IPC Igwe of the High Court of River State on the 4th day of September 2024. The River State House of Assembly further orders that the River State government and the executive governor must conduct elections to the local government councils on the 5th day of October 2024 in compliance with the rule of law and judgment of the court. In conclusion, we therefore call on the general public to come out en masse on the 5th day of October 2024 and perform their civic duties. Distinguished honorable members, my dear colleagues, are there any petitions? This House will now adopt this medium-term expenditure framework report for 2025 to 2027 fiscal year as a working document. Clerk, please convey the resolutions of this House to His Excellency, the Executive Governor.